Hey everybody, welcome back to Super Fun Kids Learning. We have our Hot Wheels out! Yay! What are we going to be doing today? I found some slime! Alright, let's play with Hot Wheels and slime. Let's start by taking our slime out. Here we go. Ew! Yucky! Look at this slime. Ugh. It's so goopy and slimy. Ew! Here it comes. Ew! Look at all that slime. Ugh. Ew! Alright, let's see what happens when we throw it on the cars. Whoa! There's some slime. Oh, we have a little bit more in this jar. Let's get out our slime. Here we go. Whoa! Ew, look at that slime. That's so silly. All right, let's take a look at what we've got here. So we have all these Hot Wheel cars and all this slime. Let's see what happens. I think the cars want to drive into the slime right now. Ew, yuck. Look what happens when the slime gets on the cars. Ooh, look at all that slime. Wow. Look, it gets stuck in the slime. Oh, wow. That's so cool. All right. How about we try this slime on a big truck? Let's see what happens when we put this slime on this big truck over here. Okay, we've got our truck. We've got our slime. Ew, look, it fits pretty good in there. It's a truck full of slime. Ew. All right, let's see what happens when we drive into the other cars. Whoa, it's carrying a load of slime around. And look, the other cars are getting stuck. Oh no, that's so silly. All right, let's see what else we can do. Let's dump out that slime here. And which truck or what should we send through the slime? How about, you want to do the green truck? All right, let's try putting the green truck into the slime. So he goes and he's just taking a drive. And what's that? Oh my gosh, it's slime! Ew! Look at that. He's getting slime everywhere. Oh, let's see if we can hide him under the slime. Oh my goodness. That is a lot of slime. That's so silly. What else? Let's see. We'll get the white car here. See if we can put some slime on that too. Oh, they're all covered in slime. Oh no. What are we gonna do? So then, let's see here. We'll get the yellow truck. We'll see what happens when he gets covered in slime. Whoa. Oh no, he's covered in slime. He's stuck. Whoa, look at all this slime everywhere. How about we take all our cars, we push them together, and then we cover them in slime. Oh